You're not going to believe this. There's a guy blowing up on YouTube and Instagram, pulling in millions of views, and all he's doing is destroying luxury cars. Sounds insane, right? But here's the real twist. He's not actually destroying anything. Every single video you see, 100% AI generated, and they're so good, they'll totally mess with your mind. I mean, they look so real, your brain can't even tell the difference. Picture this, a brand new Rolls Royce just chilling, when suddenly a giant boulder drops from the sky. Boom, flames everywhere, debris flying, glass shattering. You're sitting there thinking, no way this is fake, but it is. Pure genius. These clips are fast, wild, totally absurd, and they hook you the second they start. You blink, boom, the scene's already over. Your brain's scrambling. Wait, what just happened? And because your brain hates being confused, you watch it again and again and again. That's the real secret. These videos are engineered to be addictive. They hijack your curiosity and lock you in. But here's where it gets even crazier. You can make these exact same viral videos yourself. No Hollywood studios, no fancy gear, no big budget, just free AI tools, some clever prompts, and a little creativity. And in this tutorial, I'm breaking it all down, step by step. How these viral clips are made, why they're so insanely addictive, and how you can build your own viral content machine, starting today. And the best part? Once you know the formula, you're not stuck with just car crashes. You can create anything your imagination dreams up. The only limit is how wild you're willing to get. Trust me, once you see how easy this is, you'll never look at viral videos the same way again. Before we dive in, check out a few of the insane clips we'll be creating together. If you're new here, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and buckle up, because we're about to go full throttle into the world of AI-powered content creation. Step 1. We need to find one of these viral masterpieces. So, I head over to his Instagram page and pick one of his absolute best clips. Check this out. This one right here. It's got almost 200 million views. A Rolls Royce just chilling, minding its own business, and out of nowhere, boom! A massive boulder drops from the sky and crushes it. Full cinematic destruction, like something straight out of a blockbuster movie. Now, let's grab that clip. You don't need any fancy software for this. Just Google Instagram video downloader, click the first site that pops up, paste the Instagram link, hit download, and boom, you've got the video ready to go. Now comes the fun part. We need 3 key moments from that video to feed into ChatGPT. Here's what I do. First, scrub through the video and pause right at the moment when the boulder is just about to hit. That's shot 1. Take a quick screenshot. If you're on Windows, press Windows key plus Shift plus S. That opens up the snipping tool. Click, drag, select the frame. And here's the cool part. You don't even have to save it. Just paste it straight into ChatGPT. Next, move forward a few frames and pause again, right as the boulder smashes into the Rolls Royce. That's your big action moment. Take another quick screenshot. And finally, pause on the aftermath. Dust everywhere, debris flying, total chaos. That's your third and final shot. Once you've got these 3 frames, it's time to let the magic happen. I give ChatGPT this exact prompt. Please analyze these 3 images. Following the analysis, generate a highly detailed image prompt to recreate the first image. Also, provide a video prompt to animate key elements of that first shot. And just like that, ChatGPT becomes your personal director. It spits out a beautifully detailed image prompt to recreate the scene, plus a video prompt that brings it all to life. Dust clouds, motion blur, cinematic camera sweeps, the works. At this point, you're holding the blueprint to a viral video. Now let's turn that text into an insane visual. For this, we're using Idog, one of the easiest and most powerful AI image generators out there. You could also use Pickleman if you want, but for now, Idog is your best friend for turning prompts into pure visual gold. Here's what you do. Take the image prompt ChatGPT gave you, paste it into Hiluo, and, super important, set the aspect ratio to 9:16. That's the perfect format for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Once you've set it up, click Generate. Now, wait just a few seconds. Boom, Idog spits out 4 stunning images based on your prompt. I look through them and find the one. The giant boulder frozen mid-air, the luxury car helpless underneath, construction workers panicking, an excavator in the background, pure cinematic drama. And that's the key. This image screams, something insane is about to happen. Exactly what you want to hook viewers in the first second. All right, now that we've got the perfect still frame, it's time to bring it to life. For that, we're using Hiluo. And trust me, this thing is next level. It's one of the most powerful AI video generators out there. And the best part? It's still completely free. Let's dive in. First, head over to Hiluo AI and log in with your Gmail account. On the sidebar, click the Create Video tab. That's where the magic happens. Upload the masterpiece image you just created in Ideogram. Now grab that video animation prompt ChatGPT gave you. Copy it, paste it into the text box in Hiluo AI. Before you hit generate, make sure the format matches your original image, 9:16 for vertical or 16:9 for horizontal. Take a deep breath, then hit generate. This is where things get insane. In under a minute, Hiluo AI creates an 8-second animated version of your scene. Camera movement, dust clouds, the boulder falling, even tiny background details like wind effects. It seriously looks like a shot straight out of a Hollywood trailer. At this point, you're not just watching viral content, you're engineering it. You can tweak, remix, and create new animations in minutes. Alright, so you've recreated one of these viral car destruction videos. But how do you keep the ideas flowing? How do you make sure you're never stuck for new content? Here's the move. Let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. Head back to ChatGPT and give it this exact prompt. Generate 3 more distinct concepts, each with a highly detailed image prompt for creation and a corresponding video prompt for animation, matching the style and level of detail from the previous example. And just like that, ChatGPT drops 3 brand new viral ideas into your lap. Each prompt includes the image setup and the animation plan, all engineered for maximum drama and attention. Now it's rinse and repeat. Pick the concept you like best, paste the image prompt into Ideogram, generate. You got new image frame, then grab the video prompt, and then upload image into Hiluo AI. And paste the video, generate prompt, and click generate, boom. Another viral clip ready to go. Want to switch it up? Try using Pickleman for the image generation instead. Same process. Paste the prompt into Pickleman, generate your image, then back into Hiluo AI for animation. It's fast, it's easy, and you're building a viral video factory without even touching traditional editing software. Now let's talk sound effects, because a viral video doesn't just need to look insane, it needs to sound insane too. You can grab free background sounds online, but if you want something custom made for your video, here's what you do. Head back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a sound effects prompt based on your animation. Copy that prompt and paste it into 11 Labs under the Sound Effects tab. In seconds, 11 Labs gives you 5 tailor-made sound effects designed perfectly for your clip. Listen through them, pick the one that hits the hardest, and download it. Then, drop that sound into any basic video editor, sync it up with your animation, and you've got a full-blown viral masterpiece. And just like that, you now have everything you need to create unlimited viral videos, using only free AI tools. Whether it's insane visuals, crazy animations, or perfectly matched sound effects, you're now fully equipped to keep pumping out viral hits non-stop. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned, because this is just the beginning. Let's keep the momentum rolling, and I'll catch you in the next one.